dock is almost underwater. So we're hoping it's cresting today, and it doesn't get any worse because I'm running out of real estate. So keep your fingers crossed. Hey, thanks for watching Cooking with Camp. Today we're going to make some Nashville hot chicken wings. I was watching the Malcolm Reed show the other day, and Cosmo Key was on there, and he had this Nashville hot chicken wing dust. I had to try it. I gotta try it. I love Nashville hot chicken. So what I done is I chopped up my got my chicken wings ready, put about a cup of flour, a little bit of baking powder, and about a half a cup of this Nashville hot chicken wing dust in the mix. Got it all over my chicken wings. I'm gonna put it on the pellet grill, and we're gonna let them get nice and crispy. Then we'll probably put some more of this wing dust on it and see how hot it is. So anyway, let's fire the pellet grill and get started. Thanks for watching Cooking with Camp. Grill almost up to temp. As you can see, I got our chicken here with a coating on it, so we're going to let it cook, get nice and crispy. Then we'll throw some more hot stuff on it. All right, it's been about 40 minutes, 30 or 40 minutes. Look at this, starting to crisp up. Got a real good color to them. Kind of a red color. So won't be long now. Alright, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes. They're crisping up really good. So we're about to pull them off and throw a little more of that Nashville wing sauce on them, or wing dust, and see what it tastes like. Okay, they are off the grill. This is what they look like here. Got a little orange tint to them. Made a couple sauces, one with wing dust and olive oil, one with wing dust, mayonnaise, and a little bit of lemon juice. So we'll try them out. Got a little kick to it. There's mayonnaise out here. That's pretty good. Alright, next time you make some wings, try some of this Nashville chicken wing dust. Thanks for watching Cooking with Camp.